Which country's national tree is the banyan? A. India. B. Nepal. C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is A. India. Where are the most silk sarees produced in India? A. Varanasi. B. Mysore. C. Surat. Correct answer is B. Mysore. How many times did Babur invade India? A. 2 times. B. 4 times. C. 5 times. Correct answer is C. 5 times. Which is the smallest state in India by area? A. Tripura. B. Sikkim. C. Goa. Correct answer is C. Goa. Which annual fair is famous for camel trading? A. Pushkar Fair. B. Sonpur Fair. C. Nagaur Fair. Correct answer is A. Pushkar Fair. Which tree gives the most oxygen? A. Neem. B. Banyan. C. Peepal. Correct answer is C. Peepal. Which country first started tea cultivation? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? A. Bhopal. B. Indore. C. Jabalpur. Correct answer is A. Bhopal. Which is the fastest train in India? A. Shatabdi Express. B. Vande Bharat Express. C. Rajdhani Express. Correct answer is B. Vande Bharat Express. Where are most wires and cables manufactured in India? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Which animal lives the longest? A. Elephant. B. Tortoise. C. Whale. Correct answer is B. Tortoise. Where was the 2014 Olympics held? A. Tokyo, Japan. B. Beijing, China. C. Sochi, Russia. Correct answer is C. Sochi, Russia. Which state in India experiences the most frequent floods? A. Assam. B. Bihar. C. West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Assam. What is the average lifespan of an elephant? A. 40 to 50 years. B. 60 to 70 years. C. 80 to 90 years. Correct answer is B. 60 to 70 years. What is the national fruit of India? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Mango. Correct answer is C. Mango. Which country has the purest drinking water in the world? A. Canada. B. Switzerland. C. Norway. Correct answer is B. Switzerland. Which Indian state is known as the land of temples? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Which city is famous for its red clay decorative pottery? A. Khurja. B. Aligarh. C. Firozabad. Correct answer is A. Khurja. Which bird lays its eggs in another bird's nest? A. Crow. B. Cuckoo. C. Mena. Correct answer is B. Cuckoo. Which country is known as the Queen of the Sea? A. Japan. B. Sri Lanka. C. Maldives. Correct answer is B. Sri Lanka.